The little kittens till there came a cyclone. It tore the houses all apart and tossed the cat around. The air was filled with kittens, but not one was ever found.
Daddy, sa horse.
The cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. They thought he was the gardener, but the cat came back. He jumped.
Ganas quest, Daddy, sa kabila.
Give me a meow. They did all again.
Sa gitna ka, Daddy.
The very next day, the cat
Brent,
came back.
Brent, hold. Diyan ka sa gitna. Pwede ka dyan sa gitna. Sa gitna ka lang, Daddy. Baka mahulog yan. Brent! Hello, ikaw! Brent! Hi! Ang pogi. Pogi!